So I've just pressed under the a little sort of seam on the last piece, and then that's going to sort of fit over that corner, and then you just use your last 4 sequin pins to sort of push under each of those. You can use some ribbon or some braid as well to sort of cover this edge part, and then that'll just catch in everything, or some ribbon might do it. But yeah, you couldn't sort of fit another row in there, so we're probably just going to put a little piece of cream ribbon across there. But what I'll show you is I'll show you how to attach a pin. So you should have some ribbon, and you can sort of make some sort of loops. You sort of turn it back on itself and make some loops, and then use the last one for the actual hanging piece. So just sort of tie that, and then if you have got room, you can sort of make a little bit of a bow at the top. I'll do that in a minute. Let me just do the loops. And these can be hung on like an Easter tree, or on little drawer handles or door handles, something like that. Something just to sort of give a bit of springness into the house. Okay, so it is just about sort of manipulating this, really, how you like it. You might not want a frou-frou-y bow on the top. You could use it instead to cover that bit of spare cornerage on the thing. So put the pin through the sort of the middle of the ribbon that's going to hang, and then go right through the centre. And because it's such a deep pin, this, be really careful, make sure that it doesn't come out the side, and it's going to go all the way down right through the centre, and then that will hold that in place, and then you can rearrange, and then you have your bauble to hang on your tree. And to say, you can use there's lots of sort of commercial ones out there, or just bring in some twigs and put them in sort of like a sort of a tin can sort of type vase, if you like, or paint them white even. But there we go. Thank you.